Have you ever Googled yourself and found stuff you didn't even remember posting? Old accounts, leaked data, random profiles you forgot about? That's your digital footprint. And today, I'm going to show you how to delete it step by step. This isn't just about privacy. It's about taking control of your identity in the digital world. Let's clean things up. Start by searching your name in Google, along with your email addresses, usernames, and old aliases. Use quotes for exact matches, like John Doe 1992. You'll often uncover forgotten accounts or public posts. Then visit sites like haveibeenpwned.com to see if your email was part of a data breach, accountkiller.com to locate deletion instructions for specific platforms. Document what you find. Make a hit list of accounts, posts, and personal data to remove. Go through your hit list. For each platform, log in, go to account settings or privacy options. Choose delete account or deactivate. Some platforms hide the option. Use a search like how to delete platform name account, or go straight to justdelete.me for direct links. If you can't log in, try recovering the password. If that fails, contact customer support and request account removal under data protection laws. Data brokers collect and sell your personal information: names, addresses, phone numbers, even relatives. Popular ones include Spokeo, White Pages, My Life, Intellius. Each has its own opt-out page. It's tedious, but effective. Or use paid services like Delete Me or Incogni to automate the process. Found something you want gone from Google? Use the Google Removal tool to request deletion of outdated or sensitive content. Google Search Removal. Support. google.com.websearch.troubleshooter 311-NOS61. If the content is on a site you don't control, email the site owner directly. Explain why it should be removed, especially if it includes personal info or violates your rights. After deletion, protect what's left. Turn on two-factor authentication. Use a password manager. Limit permissions on social apps. Set your social media profiles to private. Also, opt out of ad tracking wherever possible. Go to optout.aboutadeeds.info and youradchoices.com to disable personalized ads. Deleting your digital footprint won't happen overnight. But every step you take reclaims a bit of your online privacy. Whether you're job hunting, securing your identity, or just tired of being watched, it's worth the effort. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more privacy and tech tips. Until next time, stay private, stay protected.